Hey, welcome to Titan Reviews. If you're a marketer or you may definitely have encountered the struggle of increasing your traffic and sales or getting your content ranking out there or getting your videos to rank on YouTube or things like that. If you are facing any of these struggles, then Done For You Suite 4.0 is something you will need. And today in this review we'll be looking at some of the benefits you'll be getting in this special launch period, how Done For You Suite 4.0 works, and some of the upgrades you'll be getting in this 4.0 session, and also some of the exclusive bonuses you'll be getting from this launch period. So without wasting any more of your time, what exactly is Done For You Suite 4.0? This is a brand new platform that allows you to get high quality content syndication for your videos or niche sites without having to do any of the work yourselves. With Done For You Suite 4.0, you can get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less by using the new high quality Done For You social syndication system. Social syndication system simply means getting your content viewed, getting more eyes on your content out there, and you can do this without even having any previous SEO skills. You can do this even if you're a complete newbie or beginner, and you can definitely get results using the three-step system. So moving forward, with Done For You Suite 4.0, you would be able to rank your videos on page 1, do some launch hacking for quick cash, rank your niche sites, rank your e-commerce sites on page 1, rank your Amazon listings, rank your client sites, rank your client videos. You can see you can use Done For You Suite 4.0 for yourself and also use it to make money with client needs. So you can get access to the special launch live demo. There will be in the description below. You being present in the live demo will also give you access to a discount, and this live demo will be coming up by 18th of May. They'll be in the link description if you want to get access to this right now. So moving forward, how does Done For You Suite 4.0 work? It follows just to I'll explain all this in 3 simple steps, explain deeply and how it works exactly. So this first step, which is straightforward, all you need to do is log in into Done For You Suite 4.0. After successful login, you will see your dashboard. Your dashboard is going to open up, and all you need is your relevant keywords and your URL of your website to actually rank. So next thing you need to do is just wait for Done For You Suite to automatically generate content for you, and it does this in 2 ways. These are by scraping up for campaign keywords or create niche content using AI. That is how it gets that content for you to rank. Just 2 ways, as I've explained earlier. And top steps, as straightforward it is, all you need to do is submit and you are all set for your videos or your content, your website to rank out there on Google or on YouTube. And from there, the system will get to work and build you hundreds of high quality syndication links to your content. You don't need to install Done For You Suite 4.0. It is cloud based. You don't actually have to learn different series of videos just to learn how it works. No social account creation needed, no content needed on your part, no proxies or captchas needed. Nothing is needed but your keywords and URL. So looking down to some of the bonuses, I don't want to go deeply into this, but presently you are going to be getting exclusively 7 bonuses from Done For You after purchasing Done For You. So you'll be getting 7 bonuses right from the members area. So, and also you'll be getting a 100% risk-free guarantee, so you can have full confidence in joining Done For You Suite today. So there's nothing for you to lose, and you can get access to the live demo session and secure a very special live attendee discount, which there will be a link in the description below. So looking down, some of the upgrades they made forward to make you get those results. What is new in this 4.0 launch? So in this version 4.0, we now have 6 times the number of sites in our network, 6 times the authority, 6 times the ranking power. We've added 200 new high authority domains to our network exclusively for version 4.0. Done for you Google Maps embedding for boosting your local rankings. And also done for you Google My Business citations to skyrocket your local rankings even more. And also a huge update to the AI content generation system, which is powered by real artificial intelligence. So you get more relevancy for each of your campaigns, so you get even more ranking power. Done for you Twitch embeds to get even more video traffic and rankings. And of course, they brought back access to the automatic done for you YouTube video embed feature for even faster video rankings right from the 2.0 launch, which you can't get outside of their launch specials, meaning you have to take action now to get access to these upgrades. So looking at all these amazing upgrades, you can get all this for a discounted price when you join the live demo session. When you see Joshua Zamora make use of done for you Suite 4.0 himself, you'll be getting access to the discounted price. And you can get access to all this and also this sales page for yourself in the link in the description below. So I believe now you know how done for you system Suite 4.0 works and some of the amazing upgrades they've made just to make you get those results. If you have more questions concerning done for you Suite before the launch, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.